Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password on your Hearthstone game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage for battle.net. Now, if you wish to change the password for your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Settings. This will now open up your account settings within your web browser. You may need to log in if you haven't logged in within your browser. So after logging in from your account settings page, click on Security at the left side. You will now see your password. Click on the Update button at the right side and you will now be asked to enter your old password first. Type in your old password and then enter your new password that you wish to set. After typing in your new password, type it in once again for confirmation and finally click on the Save button. And this password will now be saved as your new password on your account right away. After this process is completed, you will be able to use this new password along with your original email address to log into your battle.net account and play the Hearthstone game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.